beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I had to come on very briefly to say happy Easter and let you guys know that I am totally thinking of you and missing you. And I have my chalk couture and a whole, like all of this came in. Oh, like it's filled with stuff. So I thought I'd open it while I just wish you guys a good Easter and find out what you guys have been up to. I know I've been away and I have another week of traveling, but I thought it would just be nice to be able to hear from you. And I know I can't do any DIYs right now because I'm all over the place, but I can't wait to get back to them, but I'm buying all the stuff to do it. So let me show you what I got. I did get one of these fuzzing cloths because I was using one and it just was still super sticky, so I still wanted to, I wanted to try out theirs because I heard it was pretty good. And then I got some different color, I got some Chalkology paste, which is the, it makes like the chalk, like paste, obviously. But there's a difference and I'll show you. This one says paste, and I got that color there. And then this one says ink, and I got that in black. I got the ink, I got it in black, and I got it in white, because with the black and the white, I thought that would work well because I don't really know very much, but I do know that this is permanent. The ink is permanent and will stay. The chalk is not permanent, and that will be able to be washed off. So I got some springy colors, so perfect for Easter. Let's see if I have the colors written on there. This one's Cherry Blossom, which is a really pretty pink. This one is Buttermilk, which is a nice light yellow. And then this one is a Couture Coral, which is a kind of pink. So I have to remember all these different colors because I get them all mixed up because really, this is Daffodil Delight. So we'll see. One day I'll figure it all out. But that's what happens if you're like me and you have so many different hobbies and so many different things that you just want to share with people. So what else did I get? Oh, I got this little mixing stick. They call it the multi-tool. So it's for mixing and then like scraping. So I grabbed that. Let's see what else I have in here. Oh goodness. Okay, we'll throw that over there. This is an ink mat. So I bought this because I didn't want to, well, really because I want to have this on my camera. But more than that, it does serve a purpose so your ink doesn't get all over your table, especially working with the permanent. And then this is called a board eraser. So it seems, I'll have to let you know because it seems like this might just be, you know, one of those erasers that you would buy with, I don't know, even like a Magic. So I got a small squeegee, little tiny guy. And when I get the small squeegees, I sometimes cut them so that I have super small. This one's called a chalk transfer. Oh, it's the transfers. And this one says welcome, hello, and gather. You guys know I always love to make little welcome signs and whatnot. And then I got this one. Look at how pretty this is. This is so I can make gifts. And so it's got the wreath here and then established, and then you can put their year. You can add some other little berries and whatnot in here. And then you could put like their monogram on here. So I thought that would be so cool for people who are getting married or babies being born. Oh my goodness. Oh, I also got this little guy. This is called an angled squeegee. And you guys, it's Tiffany blue colors, so I love it. anything that's Tiffany blue, I'm just all about. So this is an angled squeegee. So that will help. So let me know in the comments below if you have done Chalk Couture before or know about it or anything like that. So I did get these as well. They're skinny letters. What are they really called? I don't know. What is it called? It just says transfer. I don't really, oh, handwritten font. So that's what that is. So now that I know there's names on here and where they're at, this one's called Established Wreath. And then this one is called the Welcome Trio. So, yay. And then let me know if you want me to do any tutorials on these so you can see how they work. So we've got these, I got 2 sheets of the chalk transfer backer sheets so that when you take them off of here, it's on a backer sheet, but so they can have their own. So I wanted to do that to try and get a little bit more organized. And then we've got this guy, and it says Farm Sweet Farm, and I just think it is super cute. It's got the little milk jug and the lantern and the little wind thing. Tell me what the name of this is, because I lost it. And then a little candle there. And this one's called Farm Sweet Farm. So that is everything I got. I think I will have so much fun, especially with those skinny letters and the ink that is permanent. Maybe doing some like faux Ray Dunn stuff. So I know my little dog has one little food bowl. I might make a water bowl for him. So I think that would be fun. All right. So you guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful and blessed Easter. I'm so thankful. I went to church this morning and he is definitely risen, you guys. So thank you so much for being a beauty and watching. And I cannot wait to see you again. All right. Have a wonderful day. Bye.